Are you looking for a delicious way to boost your health? Look no further than blueberries. Did you know that these tiny berries are packed with powerful antioxidants that can help protect your body from harmful free radicals? That's right. Blueberries contain high levels of flavonoids, anthocyanins, and vitamin C, which work together to neutralize oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. By incorporating blueberries into your diet regularly, you can enjoy not only their sweet and juicy flavor, but also their incredible health benefits. So, why not add a handful of blueberries to your morning oatmeal or yogurt for a nutritious and antioxidant-rich start to your day? These little berries are not only bursting with flavor, but also packed with nutrients that can help support your cardiovascular health. Thanks to their high levels of anthocyanins, blueberries have been shown to lower blood pressure, reduce LDL cholesterol levels, and improve blood vessel function, ultimately reducing the risk of heart disease. So, next time you're craving a snack, reach for a handful of blueberries to give your heart some love and enjoy the tasty benefits of nature's superfood. These little berries are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your brain health. Packed with flavonoids and other antioxidants, blueberries have been shown to support memory, learning, and overall brain function. Whether you're studying for an exam or just want to stay sharp as you age, incorporating blueberries into your diet can help give your brain the boost it needs. So, why not whip up a blueberry smoothie or sprinkle some on your morning cereal to start your day off right and keep your brain in top shape? Are you struggling with digestive issues and looking for natural ways to support your gut health? Look no further than blueberries. These little berries are not only delicious, but also incredibly beneficial for your digestive system. Packed with fiber, blueberries can help promote regular bowel movements, prevent constipation, and support a healthy gut microbiome. Moreover, the antioxidants found in blueberries can help reduce inflammation in the gut and alleviate symptoms of digestive disorders like irritable bowel syndrome, IBS. So next time you're planning your meals, be sure to include plenty of blueberries to keep your digestive system happy and healthy. These berries are also incredibly beneficial for your skin health. Packed with antioxidants and high water content, blueberries can help protect your skin from UV damage, reduce inflammation, and promote collagen production, resulting in smoother, younger-looking skin. Whether you enjoy them fresh or incorporate them into your skincare routine, blueberries are sure to leave you with a healthy, radiant complexion. So, why not indulge in a blueberry smoothie or treat yourself to a blueberry face mask for glowing skin from the inside out? These berries are also packed with immune-boosting nutrients like vitamin C. Vitamin C plays a crucial role in supporting the immune system by stimulating the production of white blood cells and enhancing immune function. By incorporating blueberries into your diet regularly, you can give your immune system the extra support it needs to fend off infections and illnesses. So, why not add a handful of blueberries to your morning smoothie or snack on them throughout the day to keep your immune system strong and resilient? Are you struggling to lose weight and looking for a natural solution that actually works? Look no further than blueberries. These little berries are not only low in calories, but also packed with fiber, making them the perfect addition to your weight loss diet. Fiber helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, reducing cravings for unhealthy snacks and promoting weight loss. Additionally, the antioxidants in blueberries can help regulate blood sugar levels, making it easier to control your appetite and resist cravings. So, whether you enjoy them fresh or frozen, adding blueberries to your meals and snacks can help support your weight loss goals and keep you feeling satisfied and energized throughout the day. These berries are incredibly beneficial for healthy aging. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds, blueberries can help protect your cells from damage, reduce inflammation, and slow down the aging process. Whether you enjoy them in a smoothie, yogurt, or oatmeal, adding blueberries to your diet can help keep your skin glowing, your mind sharp, and your body feeling youthful and energized. So why not make blueberries a regular part of your diet and enjoy the delicious benefits of nature's anti-aging superfood? These berries are packed with nutrients that can help increase your energy and vitality. Thanks to their high levels of antioxidants and vitamins, blueberries can help improve blood flow to the brain, increase oxygen delivery to cells, and reduce oxidative stress, resulting in increased energy levels and mental clarity. Are you struggling with inflammation and looking for natural ways to reduce pain and discomfort? These berries are packed with anti-inflammatory compounds that can help soothe inflammation and promote healing in the body. Thanks to their high levels of antioxidants, blueberries can help reduce inflammation in the body, alleviate symptoms of inflammatory conditions like arthritis, and support overall health and well-being. So, why not make blueberries a regular part of your meals and snacks, and enjoy the tasty benefits of nature's anti-inflammatory superfood?